In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up HubSpot email workflows in just 5 minutes. HubSpot is a versatile tool that helps streamline your business processes from marketing to sales, all by automating repetitive tasks. By mastering email workflows, you can efficiently manage your customer interactions and nurture leads. Let's dive into it step by step. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot's homepage. This is the starting point for accessing all of HubSpot's powerful tools. Once you're there, the next thing you'll need to do is log into your account. You'll find the login option prominently displayed on the top right corner of the page. Once clicked, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you're new to HubSpot, don't hesitate to create an account. It's straightforward and offers a lot of benefits. Upon logging in, you will be directed to the HubSpot homepage, a central dashboard where you can easily access all the tools available to you. This dashboard provides a comprehensive view of your ongoing tasks and insights into your campaigns. Next, look toward the navigation menu. You'll want to find and click on the Automations tab. This is where the magic happens. You'll start to create systems that work automatically, which saves you time and effort in your business operations. Under Automations, you will see an option for workflows. Click on that. A workflow in HubSpot is essentially a series of automated actions that you can use to streamline processes and engage with your contacts. After clicking on workflows, you'll be prompted to create a new one. Select the Create Workflow button to begin this process. HubSpot makes it easy by providing templates for various common workflows right out of the box. You want to click on From Template to view these options. Templates can guide you through creating workflows for different scenarios, such as welcoming new subscribers or nurturing potential leads. These templates are designed to help you hit the ground running with minimal setup time. Remember, choosing the right template or deciding to start from scratch should depend on your specific needs and goals. What action or series of actions do you want to automate? Once you have selected a template, you can customize it to better fit your workflow requirements. Customization can include setting specific triggers, determining the sequence of emails, and specifying any conditions that need to be met for the workflow to activate. Congratulations, you've just learned how to set up email workflows in HubSpot. By following these steps, you'll not only keep your processes organized, but also enhance how you engage with your audience. Feel free to experiment with different templates and settings to find what works best for you and your business. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy automating.